This simple journaling practice completely changed my life. I used it to manifest my dream career, travel the world, even heal old patterns that were holding me back. If you're ready to shift your mindset, raise your energy, and become the best version of you, journaling is the perfect place to start. So, there are 3 chapters to this. Chapter 1 is why journaling works, 2 is journaling for self growth, and chapter 3 is all about journaling for manifestation, also known as scripting or manifestation journaling. Part 1, why journaling works for self growth and manifestation. Journaling is one of the most powerful, underrated forms of practices for personal growth, self awareness, and manifestation. It does require, though, one key aspect for it to be successful and effective, which I will get to in a second after these 3 reasons why journaling works for self growth and manifestation. 1, clarity equals power. When you write things down, you bring things out of your head and onto paper. This helps you not only see the things that you want, the things that you really, really want, but helps you notice specific patterns that are happening in your life. These can be patterns that are good and that help you along your way to achieve what you want and that actually work out for you. Or this could be repeating patterns of what are no longer serving you and what is no longer working in your life. Clarity is the first step to self-awareness and transformation, and this in itself is gold. Number 2, journaling connects you with your higher self, your soul self, your intuition. I hate to break it to you, but ChatGPT, it's killing your intuition. Beyond the mindset work, journaling is a spiritual practice. It connects you with your intuition, your inner wisdom, and your higher guidance, helping you stay aligned with your soul purpose and your authentic desires. If or when you outsource that externally to your friends, your family, or even ChatGPT, you lose that connection with your inner guidance, pushing you further and further away from what is truly here inside. AI is logic based, but I know that you're here because you believe that there is more to life than meets the eye. AI can't channel divine downloads, feel intuitive nudges, or even receive that intuitive inner guidance from your higher self, your soul self, or the quantum field. This is the kind of guidance that you get whilst journaling, whether that's before bed or at sunrise, or the kind of ideas that drop in whilst you're in a meditation. AI can't receive or feel that. You and journaling can. Journaling rewires your mindset. Your beliefs shape your reality. In my new book, Your Soul Purpose, Manifest a Life You Love, I dedicated 2 whole chapters to this because when you journal with intention, like scripting your dream life, which is what I get into next, or writing affirmations or releasing limiting beliefs, you literally begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. And this is what makes journaling so effective for manifestation. And the one key aspect for all of this, for journaling to be successful and effective, and no, it's not some fancy journal or the cutest washi tape, it is that it requires you to be radically honest with yourself. Like, no sugarcoating, raw, real, and accountable. I actually came across this quote the other day and I really liked it, and I thought it was very fitting for this video and what I wanted to share with you. And so I'm going to read it to you. Okay, it's this. Take ownership of where you are now. Take ownership of where you are going. Take ownership of what happens next. When I came across this, I was like, yes, yes, yes. That hits. You know, when you read a quote and it hits, this one was made for me, made for this video, and made for you. Part 2, journaling for self-growth. Journaling is basically free therapy. And a big part to self-growth are emotions, what our relationship is like to anger, fear, joy, happiness, and how we actually experience them. It's so universal, and our response is very much individually different. Not just me hanging out with all of my journals casually. Emotional release equals energetic alignment. Journaling helps you process these emotions, whether it is to help you let go of past negative experiences that you hold a narrative towards still, or learn to receive certain positive experiences and positive emotions that come with it that may feel unfamiliar at first, but just need a shift in your energy. This emotional release or just that awareness, right? Clarity. That clarity is so powerful and golden. It contributes to our growth and makes space for the lessons and learnings. It teaches us how we want to show up in the world. Okay, I've got 3 very powerful self-growth journaling prompts for you. Number 1 is, what limiting beliefs am I ready to let go of? Number 2 is, how do I want to feel in this new chapter of my life? And finally, what would my higher self do today? Part 3, manifestation journaling and scripting. Journaling is so effective for manifestation, and a particular journaling technique that I love and have used for my own personal manifestations has been script journaling, or let's just call it scripting for short. So scripting is when you write as if your desires or dreams are already happening in this present moment. It's very focused on present tense. For me, journaling has helped me become aware of what I really want to create in this life and what I will feel fulfilled by. And it's helped me become more confident, aligned, and clear on my path. Not only that, what action steps were needed for it to happen. This was all for writing my book, attracting career and business opportunities, traveling to a new country or destination that's calling. Because it's one thing to be aware of this dream, but it's another to actually build up the courage and the self-belief to take action, make moves, and know that it is completely available and possible for you. It keeps you focused on your goals and your dreams. Writing daily or weekly keeps your intentions top of mind. It literally changes your brain to keep focused on what you want, all of the positive things, rather than getting stuck on self-doubt, fear, or all the reasons why it wouldn't work out. And sometimes that tends to happen, right? Like, our fears are always going to be there. But if we shift our focus to all of the things that can work out, that could work out, that we're open to receiving and actually experiencing, then all of the fears and the self-doubt, they generally just dissolve, which is why I created my 21-day manifestation scripting kit. So you can get started on this powerful journaling practice, which has literally helped me with my own personal self-growth and manifest my dream life, and it will help you do exactly the same. I even share with you a look at my personal journal pages, raw, real, kind of messy to be honest, but so powerful and such a testament to how this as a journaling practice is such a powerful manifestation technique. We already have so many beautiful souls going through it, and I can't wait to connect with you. You can use this code on the screen for $20 off and get started on your manifestation scripting journey today. For more on how to start script journaling to manifest anything, make sure to watch this video next. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always sending you all the groovy love.